Hello, good evening everyone. Today I will present a detailed overview of the research titled Business Analytics in Manufacturing, Current Trends, Challenging and Pathway to the Market Leadership, conducted by the Umber, Mufakir and Plepper. This study provides a comprehensive analysis of how business analytics is transforming the manufacturing sector, the key challenges faced by the manufacturer in adopting the analytics, and the strategic step that necessary to achieve the market leadership through the data-driven approaches. So let's talk about the introduction of the business analytics. According to Uber, the business analytics can be understood as a strategic use of data, statistic technique, and predictive modeling aimed at optimizing decision making and enhancing the business performance. So, the definition of the business analytics involves a data driven decision making. It utilizes the extensive data, statistical data, and predictive modeling to guide the business action. Traditional business intelligence, which mainly reports on a historical data and answer the questions such as what happened, the business analytics shift focus towards the future, asking what could happen and what should be done. Shifts from business intelligence to business analytics. The research highlights a significant evolution from business intelligence to business analytics within a manufacturing organization. Historically, business intelligence tools provided a descriptive insight, helping the companies understand the past events such as the sale number or production volume. However, Umber urged that the descriptive approach is no longer sufficient in the fast-paced manufacturing environment characterized the short life cycles of the violet market. Business analytics build upon these foundation by incorporating predictive and prescriptive techniques that enables the manufacturer to understand the causal relationship, what did happen, and forecast future outcomes, what will happen. Here are some applications of application in manufacturing overview. There is a 5 points which is highlighted by Umber. Number one is research and development R&D. Number two, supply chain production. Sorry, and the marketing, sales and after sales support, end of life, reverse logistic. Each of these domains benefits uniquely from analytics, improving operational efficiency, reducing cost, or enhancing customer experience. This research underscores that analytics is no longer confined to the back office process, but it is embedded across the entire manufacturing value chain. That's all from my side. The further presentation will be continued by Mr. Chogi. Thank you. Bye.
Hello, my name is Choki, and to continue with the presentation, I will present on the key areas where business analytics is driving transformation in manufacturing. The first one is research and development and product design. Business analytics enhanced product design, facilitates collaboration among supply chain partners, reduce time to market, and utilize the open innovation practice. In the context of research and development and product design, the OMA point out that the business analytics foster collaboration among dispersed stakeholders, including manufacturers, suppliers, and customers. The modern product lifecycle management system leverage analytics to enable co-creation and joint innovation. The critical measure discussed is time to market, which represents the duration from the product conception to commercial launch. Reducing this time provides manufacturers with longer sales window, better pricing power, and opportunity to establish market leadership. The author notes that involving customer early through open innovation and analyzing social media feedback significantly enhance the new product success rate. This marks a clear departure from the traditional siloed approach to research and development and moving towards a data-informed, customer-centric product design. Next one is supply chain management. Omar further explained that supply chain management is greatly enhanced through business analytics by improving transparency and responsiveness. The paper discussed how analytics help might mitigate demand variabilities issues such as bullwhip effect, where small change in demand at the customer level cause an amplified fluctuation upstream. Blockchain technology is highlighted as a promising tool to facilitate secure, trusted data sharing among supply chain partners, reduce inefficiencies and fraud. Additionally, analytics enable better demand forecasting, dynamic pricing, and customer co-creations, contribution to the learner, more responsive supply chain that reduce costs and improve the service level. The third one is production. In the production, the smart factories now use Internet of Things device and advanced system to collect real-time data, and this data is analyzed to improve how things are made and helping increase output, reduce waste, and make machine better work. One powerful use is a predictive maintenance, which means the problem in the machines can be found early before they break down, saving times and money. Analytics also help improve quality control by spot detecting early and support better planning for inventories and staffs. All of this can lead to the smoother operations, lower cost, and more sustainable productions. The next one is marketing, sales, and after-sales support. First one is analytics, improve customer targeting. And using data helps to identify the ideal customers and reach them more effectively through marketing campaigns. It also enhances the customer strategies. Data analytics allow to improve and customize their service based on the customer needs and preferences. And it also boosts the customer satisfaction and loyalties. By analyzing customer behavior, it can create a personalized experience which increases customer retentions and long-term loyalties. Thank you, and next presenter will continue with the presentation.
I will be continuing with the presentation, and the last point for the application is that end of life or reverse logistic. It means that it helps the company improve recycling and reuse the product. It also helps the company to know how much the waste have been reduced and how they can able to save the cost. And it also helps supporting in sustainability goals, which means that it tracks how much material is recycled or disposed of. It helps the companies meet their target and report performance. And it also improves control of the company and reduce as much as losses that the company will face. Let's go to the next slides, and I will be presenting the challenges that faced by the company. And point one, organizational culture. So in this, it says that many workers prefer old ways of doing things and they don't trust data. This makes it hard to start using analytics in daily work. And then point number two, lack of executive involvement hamper data-driven initiative. How they gonna face the problem is that without leadership support, analytics projects don't get enough resources like money, tools, and the staff. Employees may feel that analytics is not important and won't use it in their work. So the employee will not have a clear vision or goal for using data, so effort become unorganized or fail. If the boss doesn't believe in using data, then the whole company will struggle to use it well. So point number three, legacy IT system complicate the integration of new analytics technology. So in this point, the old computer system don't always work well with new analytics tools. This creates problem in trying to use advanced data technology, and it's also hard to connect with the modern analytics tools like AI and big data platforms require systems that can easily share and process data. Legacy systems often can't connect well with these new tools, making it difficult to use the latest technologies effectively. Okay, then I will be explaining how to overcome those challenges faced by the company. So there are 2 points in which one I will be explaining and another one will be explaining by my partner the last presentation and we will be concluding summary. And point number one for the overcoming is that culture and leadership. In this one, it tells about clear communication. It explains how analytics helps everyone from reducing waste to improving performance, helps people to understand the benefits and reduce fear of change. Strong leadership support should be actively promote the use of data and analytics. This builds trust and set a clear example to the employee.
Hi, I'm Dr. Wang Chu, last presenter from Group Brisbane 02. In continuation to Dojil Hamu, I'd like to present on overcoming barriers, technology and talent. On the technological front, the research advocates investing in flexible, scalable IT infrastructures capable of supporting real-time data capture and advanced analytics. Emphasis is placed on interoperability and user friendliness to promote broad adoption. Equally important is workforce development. Omo et al. Call for continuous training programs and interdisciplinary collaboration to build the capabilities necessary for leveraging analytics in manufacturing decision making. Pathway to market leadership. Drawing from their findings, Omo et al. Propose a clear three-step pathway for manufacturers to achieve market leadership via business analytics. First, data standardization, establishing unified high-quality data assets. Second, cultural evolution, developing an organizational mindset that embraces data-driven insights. Third, business model innovation, creating new business models that exploit analytics to deliver superior customer value and competitive advantage. They conclude that companies mastering these dimensions will improve agility, operational excellence, and customer responsiveness, positioning themselves as leaders in increasingly competitive markets. Summary and takeaways. In summary, Omar et al. Underscore business analytics as a transformative enabler in manufacturing. It enhances product innovation, optimizes supply chains, improves production processes, strengthens customer engagement, and supports sustainability initiatives. However, to fully unlock these benefits, manufacturers must overcome challenges related to data integration, cultural resistance, and business model change. Leadership commitment, technology investments, and talent development are identified as crucial enablers for successful analytics adoption. Ultimately, their research highlights that firms embracing business analytics comprehensively will be best positioned to thrive in a rapidly evolving global manufacturing landscape. Thank you for your attention. I look forward to your questions and discussions, if any. For the purpose of this presentation, our group has used the reference from Omer Y.M. Minokofer M. Plapper P. 2019 Business Analytics in Manufacturing Current Trends, Challenges and Pathway to Market Leadership, Journal of Manufacturing Systems 52, page number 154 to 171. Thank you once again. Have a good day.